What's going on, YouTube? Big Beat Reactions back with another music reaction video. Thanks for stopping by. We got more Porcupine Tree. It is The Sound of Muzak, M-U-Z-A-K, from 2002. This song's been around for 20 years. It's the first time that we're going to be getting into it. I believe this is live. And shout out to John the Beloved for always hitting up the requests. And I appreciate you, John. This one is a shout out to John the Beloved, and let's get right into it, man. If it's your first time on the channel, welcome to the Big Beat family. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. It is The Sound of Muzak by Porcupine Tree live. Let's go. Let's rock.
Thank you so much. Hear the sound of music drifting in the aisles. Elevator Muzak stretching on for miles. The music of the future will not entertain. It's only meant to repress and neutralize your brain. Soul gets squeezed out, edges get blunt. Demographic, here's what you want. One of the wonders of the world is going down.
Okay.
Silver pills.
Yeah.
Engineered to see cheap building, cheap the thrills. The music of rebellion makes.
I actually think it's really cool that Colin doesn't play right there. You can see Colin's not playing the bass, but when that punch really comes in, he really delivers it. You can really tell. That's super cool.
You wanna rage, but it's made by millionaires who are nearly twice your age. Soul gets squeezed out, edges get blunt. Demographic, here's what you want.
Yeah. He always comes in with a smile too. I love it. Look at him. Yes, sir. That's super cool, man. Look at this little moment right here. I think they lock eyes there for a second. That's what it's all about right there, man. They're tight. They're real tight right here. Brief little nod. Yeah, no, thank you, Steven.
Thank you.
Wow, man, these guys are geniuses. No, thank you, Steven. I was like so blown away with the drumming in that song, I didn't even get a chance to. I almost closed out OBS. You guys saw that. I didn't get a chance to really look at the lyrics. Hear the sound of music drifting in the aisles. Elevator Prozac stretching on for miles. The music of the future will not entertain. It's only meant to repress and neutralize your brain. Soul gets squeezed out, edges get blunt, demographic gives what you want. Now the sound of music comes in silver pills, engineered to suit you, building cheaper thrills. How cool is that? The music of rebellion makes you want to rage, but it's made by millionaires who are nearly twice your age. One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down, I know. It's one of the blunders of the world that no one cares. No one cares enough. This one touches home to me, man, because it's clearly talking about as a loud jet goes by. Sorry about that. It's clearly talking about the... And I just read a quote about Freddie Mercury talking about how technology is going to take over music and it's going to die. Hopefully, I mean, there's a lot of great music around. Obviously, we're sitting here looking at Porcupine Tree, but as far as popular music goes, you know, it's all manufactured. So it's cool that we're sharing this together. If it's your first time seeing this, which I know some of you said in the comments that you found Porcupine Tree because of this channel. How cool. That's an awesome one, man. That's one of my favorites for real, just because of the message. And the musicianship is crazy. I had to go back and read the lyrics. The Sound of Music by Porcupine Tree. That's a pass for sure. That'll go on the playlist. Thanks for stopping by, guys. If you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be back with more music reactions. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you need to hear, and we will get it done. See you for the next one. I'm out.